6 main features of Quarkchain. 1. High-capacity peer-to-peer transactional system. A high-capacity peer-to-peer transactional system that will eventually be able to achieve over 100,000 plus transactions per second. 2. Two-layered blockchains. The Quarkchain consists of 2 layers of blockchains. We apply elastic sharding blockchains, shards, as the first layer, and a root blockchain that confirms the blocks from the shards as the second layer. 3. Cross-shard transactions. Cross-shard transactions can be issued at any time and confirmed in minutes. The throughput of cross-shard transactions increases linearly as the number of shards increases. 4. Market-driven collaborative mining. We designed a game-theoretic framework for incentives, where harsh powers are incentivized to distribute evenly among shards. There are at least 50% of overall harsh power allocated to the root chain to prevent double spending attack. 5. Simple account management. There is only one account needed for all shards. All cryptocurrencies from different shards are stored in one smart wallet. 6. Horizontal scalability. Because a super full node can be extremely expensive when TPS goes high, we allow multiple honest nodes forming a cluster running as a super full node. These are the 6 main features of Quarkchain. Please go to https://quarkchain.io to find out all about this great blockchain product.